Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and I am going to be doing a Saturday in winter video for you, part of my cozy winter series for the month of February. I just finished cooking up a hearty breakfast and I am cleaning up. I actually enjoy this time of just quiet contemplation while I clean up after making a big mess in my kitchen. I enjoy getting everything nice and clean and shiny and getting it ready for the next meal. So Portuguese stone soup is a soup that can really have any ingredients that you want to put in it. It can have obviously potatoes, carrots. It will usually have some kind of meat, some kind of sausage. In this case, I'm going to be using a Portuguese sausage called chouriço. It's a hot sausage, a little bit spicy, and I'm also going to be putting cabbage. And the legend of Portuguese stone soup is about a man, a poor man who came into a Portuguese village one day. And he was so hungry that he started to boil a stone in water. And as the village people came up to him and asked him what he was doing, and he said he was making stone soup, all the villagers started to bring him ingredients that they added to the soup. And before long, he had tricked them all into helping him make a very hearty soup. So I'm just cutting up my carrots and all of my ingredients, and I will be getting them all in the pot. So while my soup is cooking, I want to make some authentic Indian chai. And I'm going to be using all of these ingredients, some ginger, fennel seed, cardamom pods, star anise, and cinnamon stick. And I'm going to show you exactly how I make this delicious spicy tea. So I have 8 ounces of water and I have 4 ounces of 1% milk. You could use whole milk if you want, or 2%. And I'm using a full-bodied black tea. This is a Scottish breakfast tea. And I am going to be using 2 tea bags. So I'm just going to be adding my water and my milk. And I just crushed the cardamom pods with the back of a knife. And I just sliced a couple of slices of fresh ginger, and I have about 10 or so fennel seeds. I just took a pinch. So I'm going to be adding all of my spices into my water and my milk, and then I'm going to be bringing it up to a simmer, and I am going to stir it occasionally while it's coming up to a simmer. So we are seeing that it is simmering, so I'm going to put my tea bags in and we are going to let it steep on the lowest setting for 3 minutes. All right, so it has been steeping for 3 minutes and it looks like a beautiful kind of orange brown color, creamy color. It looks absolutely perfect. So I am going to pour this into my cup using a strainer. It looks amazing. So I am going to be adding sugar, and I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon. You do have to sweeten chai. It has, with all of its spices, and it could be bitter if you don't add sugar. So I'm starting with 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I will see how it tastes. And I'm just going to add a little bit more sugar. It was almost perfect, but just a tad more is going to make it absolutely amazing. So while I wait for my soup to cook, over the next 3 hours, I'm going to relax with a feel-good show on Netflix called The Good Witch. I'm going to sip my delicious chai and just relax and enjoy my winter Saturday. The soup came out amazing, guys. Even Bo wants a piece of the action. It is so delicious and such a hearty soup. It's the perfect hearty soup for a cold winter Saturday supper. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you will consider subscribing, and I hope that you will come back. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.